Well, hey y'all, Dan here. Thanks for joining me. We're back on the Elk River Trail, and I'm planning to show you something a little different on this trip. This is the destination, but this is what I want you to see, where all the geese are coming together. I love going through these rocks. They're mysterious and just fascinating to see as we walk through. And sort of like a cave without a ceiling. Walking through these old familiar paths are a lot of fun, especially when you meet others who appreciate it too. It's a beautiful day, and just met a few folks. They're going the other direction. Clay, he is from Hayesville, Kansas, and he comes over here quite a bit to hike this trail. It's just such a wonderful trail. And then I met a couple that now live in Clearwater, and they come over here regularly to hike this trail. It's challenging, but it's just beautiful. Like Rerun said, you know, he enjoyed this. PTL, he enjoyed it, and I just love it. Got to go down this, and then that's the hardest part for the day. So let's see if we can't get down here. The challenge is often my pack gets hung up on these rocks. So let's see if we can't do something with that. Toss my hiking poles right down there. There we go. Let's see. There we are. There. See? Not so bad. Looks a lot worse than it is. About a 6-foot drop. Then we're just going down here, get my poles and get on the road. Okay, show you how those trees just grow up inside those rocks. Let me show you a few pictures. Snow geese are coming into Kansas. This beautiful lake. You can see that the ice is covering the lake except for around the shoreline. They come in by the thousands. They gather on this lake. A group of geese out on the lake. They've been coming in all morning, gathering there. The sun begins to fade, but they keep on coming. Looking up this pretty cedar. It's going to give me a little coverage. When I get to a campsite, I like to lay out my ground cover to see if I have a flat spot. I don't always see the slopes when I'm standing up. And I'll think something's flat, and then I'll set up my tent and find out that it's not. So I lay down on it and find it, and then if it's comfortable, then I will set up my tent. And this is a great spot under this old cedar tree right here. Let's get set up. Between the geese and the coyotes, it's a loud night out there. It's about 10 o'clock. The stars are out, but the clouds have rolled in. I'm gonna go to sleep. See you in the morning. Good night. But I learned that the geese weren't the only things that creep out on this trail at night. Here's this fox. He just got him a rat, I think, and he comes back looking to get some more food right here. It's still dark this morning and you can't see it, but down in the lake, lake's all frozen except for just a little bitty patch of water, clear water down through here. And it's packed with geese and ducks. Beautiful morning. Moon, about a 3/4 moon, and it's starting to, the sun's starting to come up. It's almost more than I can comprehend. I just have to sit here and soak it all in. A group of geese out on the lake. They've been coming in all morning, gathering there. Well, it's time to get back on the trail or I never get home. Look down over these cliffs. It's like another world. Honestly, this feels like the descent going down then to Damascus. I've hiked this trail half a dozen times, and it's the first time that I've felt like that, but it sure does. It means that this hike's coming to an end. I've enjoyed it. Hope you've enjoyed the scenes. Thanks for coming along. Till next time, stay safe, stay healthy, stay on the path. God bless you.